Well, Cluiche Olympica, Cornan Doan, Siamsiocht, Fla, Féla, Gachward Corhada Céad, is ínta an rud é go bhfuil cumlú clás céal a lár baire agus bhfuil muidir agrú seo agus bhfuil na daoine seo a dólam na scileanna ar saile in dheach na bhile chun na scileanna seo léir sa bhile.
Tá spanan sé an tiúncar agus an fás atá ag teachtanis ar aglaithe timpeall domhan agus gur féidir leo go léir teach le chéile go háirithe sna háisina úntacha atá anseo i Bord Láirge agus an aimseir go húnta comá ceach duine ag taitneamhas agus tar nó fástaigh sé níos mó mar nuair a raigh siad go léir eis go dtí na tíre agsúla beidh siad ag caint go daoine eile aspraga de bhar na cainteanna sin agus beidh siad ag forbairt aglaithe timpeall domhan.
Táil Dini on shot. There's loads of people here from all over the world and they're very, very welcome and Gosulagum go winshif go léir taitneamh as Anglaithe.
The impact that the GAA has had across the world here in this competition this week in terms of everybody coming together for the World Games. About 105 teams, over 1,500 athletes and many thousand people coming to watch them. And it's great to see people from so many different parts of the world who are playing our national games. And we know the great value that the Gaelic Games has in relation to sport, but also the great impact we see the GAA have within Ireland in terms of community. It's wonderful to see that come together here as part of the World Games too.
We've seen massive growth across the world, and in many of the regions, the ladies' side of it, the numbers are greater. So there's been tremendous work been done, and a lot of work been done by the development staff there.
Nuair a áiricinn tú cumlú clás céal thar saile, níl sé seachtarach tá sé go léir cónascaithe go forrafa agus beidir for sin maithfar do théachtaí cumlú clás céal an seo an éireann.